Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. Today I'm going to be doing a quick flip through of Tales from the Midnight Masquerade by Hanna Karlzon. Before I get started on the flip through here, I just wanted to show you the size difference of this book compared to her previous book, Daydreams. It's considerably smaller and quite a bit thinner. That said, the quality of the book is incredible. It's very nice. It's just like the Daydreams book as far as the quality goes. It's just a smaller book in general, which is not necessarily a bad thing because I have so many coloring books. I never feel like I can color all the images in the book, and I might be able to tackle this one maybe this year. We'll see. So look for some future videos on my channel of me coloring in this book. Maybe we'll do some color alongs together. Maybe there'll be a few speed colorings. We'll see what happens. Without further ado, let's get this thing started. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.